got a 2011 Honda Pilot. Let's say you get in the car, you turn the AC on, AC is not working, it's not blowing cold. Before you do anything else, pop the hood open, pull that lever, pop that hood open. You're gonna walk over here and you are gonna remove the fuse box cover right here. Take this off. So you got tabs right here, 1, 2, 3. One right there. So if you look right here, first thing you want to check is your MG clutch 7.5. It's gonna be that one right here, 7.5. Usually you can pull it out with a pair of needle nose pliers like this one, and you should be able to tell if that's blown. You can see that little metal piece inside. If it's not blown, obviously this one is not blown. You can stick it back in there, or you can check it with a test light. Make sure you're getting power on both. Or if that's fine, if the fuse is fine, this is going to be your AC clutch relay right here. These are very common for it to go out. Turn the car on, turn the AC on, and just give it a tap. If your AC compressor clutch is not working, try to tap this like that. If nothing happens, what you do is you pull this out. Okay, you pull this one out, put this aside. You take this one out. Don't take any of the other relays out. This one is, those are the important relays. Put this one here and then swap it with that one like that. Then you can crank the car up and then crank the car up after you swap it with this one, and then turn the AC on. If your AC starts working, that means this one is bad. So go ahead and buy a new one. That's what the relay looks like. Go to the parts store, buy a new one, and then you can just put the new one right back on here because it's the same relay anyway. So that's how you diagnose a AC compressor not working. Obviously it could be a low freon, it could also be a bad AC compressor, it could be a bunch of things, but you can do this simple test first, save you guys some money. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also, if this one worked for you, leave a comment down below. And again, guys, thank you for watching.